Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. Here we bring you all kinds of solutions, whether it's a fast fix or an in-depth tutorial. We are here to make problem solving easy for you. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to copy Goodreads profile link in mobile. First of all, you can open the Goodreads app. Before moving further toward in the video, please consider subscribing to Solution Lab and hit the bell icon so you will get notified of our latest videos. Now coming back to the video, you can see the three lines at the bottom right corner of the screen, that is more. Tap on more. You can see my profile option. Tap on my profile and here you can see the share button at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on share button and scroll down and here you can see the copy option. Tap on copy. After this, the profile link is copied to your keyboard. If this tutorial helped to solve your problem, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more solutions. And as always, if you have any question or need further help, drop a comment below. We are here to help you. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.